Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you very easy way of cooking Rogan Josh. Rogan Josh is very famous recipe in any Indian restaurant around the world, and it is tasty, it is delicious, and you can have it with bread or either with rice. So for that I need to have mutton. Make sure your mutton is big in pieces and washed and clean. Some dry spices like cinnamon stick, bay leaf, some cloves, some peppercorn, some mace, and 2 big cardamom. I'm going to also use Rogan Josh powder and garam masala, onion, saffron water, red Kashmiri red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric, cumin powder, corn oil, salt, yogurt, and tomato paste and ginger garlic paste. Now you can either use corn oil or you can use ghee, or you can use half and half. It's completely your choice. Now I have make my oil and ghee hot. Now I'm going to add up my dry spices, and in that I'm going to add up my onion. I make sure that I have cut and chopped my onion very thin and equally. Like I didn't make it one big and one small. I have to make sure that everything is cut very nicely. Now I'm going to add up my salt to it so that the onion get melt really easily, especially when you're cooking after your work or something. You need the work to be done quick, and this is really easy way. Just add salt to your onion and it will be melted in no time. Now my onion is getting a little bit of red. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding up my mutton. As I told you earlier, I have washed my mutton earlier, so just remove that excess water from your mutton and then put it to fry. Now what I'm going to do is, after putting all my mutton in, I'm going to start frying it up. See that? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start adding my spices. I'll add salt to it, and I'm going to add ginger garlic paste. Now in this one, I'm going to use around 4 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. You can use less if you wish, but it's always prefer with mutton to use more. Yeah. Now it's mixed really well. I will start adding up my spices, whatever I have shown you earlier. So I will add turmeric, 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. It's really good in color and it's really necessary for this recipe. It has to be Kashmiri chili powder. And then I'm going to put coriander powder, 2 teaspoons. And my Rogan Josh masala, which is ready-made powder, I'm going to add that. And 1 teaspoon of cumin powder I'm going to add up. And I'm going to mix it really well, fry it really well. And then I'm going to add up my yogurt. I have previously heated it up, so it's ready to just get fried up. And I'm going to mix it thoroughly. Now it's very important to mix it up very nicely. Yeah. Now you can see how does it look like. Now I'm going to add up tomato puree. This is easiest way to cook your Rogan Josh in no time. So I'm going to take almost 3 spoons. This spoon is almost 6 tablespoons of tomato puree, just to give that reddish color and restaurant taste and that thick curry texture. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Look at that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add here my saffron water. I have soaked my saffron in warm water for like around 10 minutes. I'm going to mix it up and I'm going to close my lid and keep it to cook for almost 20 minutes on the slow flame. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add here a little bit of garam masala, which is completely your choice how much garam masala you want to put. And then I'm going to close the lid and leave it again for 10 minutes. Look at that. This looks nice and yummy. It turned out really good. The texture is completely fine. You can either eat with your Jeera rice, with biryani rice, or with naan, or with butter naan, or with paratha or roti. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and please comment it below if you need any kind of clarification. Look at that, this look delicious, this look yummy, and I will tell you one thing, it smells heaven. It is so yum. I hope you like my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.